What is a GPU? Welcome friends, today we will understand the GPUs. GPUs are very popular these days and almost all the PCs are coming with the GPU. GPUs are used for running games on PCs and laptops. GPUs are also used in machine learning and artificial intelligence. So what exactly is a GPU? GPU stands for Graphics Processing Unit and it is a powerful component in a PC. It is a specialized electronic circuit designed to perform mathematical calculation at a very high speed. Mathematical calculations are used for rendering games and in training machine learning models. The computing power of GPU is used in video games, movies, and even in the graphic design software. CPU is used for general purpose tasks while the GPU is used for rendering images and videos. GPU is so powerful that it is used for scientific research, artificial intelligence, cryptocurrency mining, and many more. There are two types of GPUs, integrated and dedicated. Integrated GPUs are built into the computer's CPU and are sufficient for basic tasks. But for demanding applications like gaming and video editing, a dedicated GPU is required. But for demanding applications like gaming and video editing, a dedicated GPU is required. GPU comes in various shapes and sizes from entry-level models to high-end beasts. Whether you are a casual user or a hardcore gamer, there is a GPU out there to suit your needs and budget. So the next time you see the breathtaking visuals or crunch numbers at lightning speed or any of the artificial intelligence software, then remember that it's all possible due to the immense power of the GPU. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights and tutorials.